Hey, what's up folks? Michael here with Primal Edge, and in today's video, we're talking about that and that. For those of you who've been around a while, you know that I want to start doing live streaming, and I don't want to just jump in and grab my cell phone and start talking or do a talking head style video with the webcam. Those are great, and I thoroughly enjoy them. There's two that I like a lot. There's Rain Dance Bushcraft. He's got a fantastic one. All things bushcraft, that's one you want to check out. And then you've got Killinger. If you like axes, that's the place to go. I'm going to link both of those in the comments below. Definitely go check those out. Being that this is a maker style channel, I want to be able to focus on not only the things I have to say, but the things I'm doing as well. In order to do that, I've upgraded some gear, I've had to buy some equipment, I've updated some software, as well as other things. One of the challenges I've been facing is getting multiple angles. And the equipment that I've been looking at is kind of pricey. And to be honest, it's just been outside of my budget. So I've been trying to find a solution. Now, being that I love to make things, I thought I would be able to come up with something on my own. And I had a lot of great ideas, but nothing seemed efficient enough or effective enough to accomplish what I wanted. But then, a few months ago, I bought a 3D printer, and that opened a ton of doors for me. I made a few designs, upcycled a few things I had around the house, and I've got this setup right here. And I gotta tell you, I absolutely love it. Let me walk you through it. Starting from the bottom are the legs. These were upcycled from an old office chair that I saw on the side of the road somebody threw away. The seat was total toast, but the legs were in great shape. I needed some kind of a pole that I could put in the middle of it in order to be able to hold everything that I wanted. So I upcycled a pole that I had sitting around the house. Now the walls are a little thick and it's very sturdy for its size. I haven't ever seen one like this. I don't know if it's a specialty pipe. I really don't know. But at the end of the day, it's what I used here. Now, unfortunately, the diameter of the pipe is a little bit too small for the base. So introduced a 3D printer and I built these shims. There's a collar at the top that goes down about 3 inches right here. And then there's one at the very bottom as well to keep it from acting like a pivot point. It works great. It's stable. It holds it up and there's no wiggle at all. Now let's come up to the top and take a look at what I did for the camera. I 3D printed a bracket that bolts on here that I can take on and off whatever I want. If I ever want to adjust it up or down, I loosen the screws and move it accordingly. I gave myself a nice sturdy platform, and on top of that platform I have a ball head with a quick release plate. That allows me to take the camera on and off really fast, and it holds it perfect, steady, and stable, and I can get any angle that I need to. The bracket that I made also has this 1/4-20 hole right here where I have a magic arm that allows me to put my cell phone right on top of it and get great top-down video for when I'm working right here. Hey, before I get too far, don't forget, if you like this kind of content, maker-style content, consider subscribing. We'd love to have you in part of the community. And let me know down in the comments below, what do you folks want to see me make in a future video? After all, you got to remember, I'm not just making videos for YouTube, I'm making them for you too. And if you're enjoying what you see so far, give me a thumbs up and let me know. And on top of the pole, I have this articulating arm, this elbow or joint or turret, whatever you want to call it. Through that, I have, believe it or not, an old curtain rod. A Walmart special, cheapo, bottom of the line curtain rod, the kind you get when you first move into a place and you need to have curtains up, but you're not really sure what kind you want to commit to, so you get the cheapest one. That's what these are. This holds, at the very end, my microphone. And the way I got the microphone mounted is I created, yes, another 3D printed part, an adapter that fits perfectly over the pole with a 1/4-20 coming out of it, and I have another small ball head with my Rode microphone on top of it. That gets the microphone right here. So when I'm talking, like I'm doing right now, hopefully I'm getting the best quality sound. Now there is still some echo in this room and I'm sure you're picking up on it, but that's something we'll address in a later video. So at this point, this is going to be my setup when I start doing the live stream. That, in addition to the light I have here and the window I have off to the side right here, I think is going to give me a perfect setup. I'll be able to sit and have a conversation with you and go over different things and talk and show you what I'm working on right here. Then I'll be able to look up and address the camera and talk to you guys face to face like this. All that and having the microphone right here hopefully will give me some pretty good sound. And that's the layout, folks. I think it came out pretty well. I'm really happy with the results. Compared to what it would cost for me to buy this equipment brand new, we're talking pennies on the dollar. The filament is very affordable and it doesn't take as much as you might think. Yes, the 3D printer is expensive, but I gotta tell you, I've already made my money back on this thing. With the stuff I've been able to repair, fix, upgrade, and sell off of what I've done for that printer, it was well worth the investment. But what do you folks think? Is there something missing on the setup? Would you add something, move something, or adjust something? Let me know down in the comments below because I'm anxious to hear. So be on the lookout for live streams. I've got a few great ideas that I think you folks will probably enjoy, but if you want to catch them, you need to go ahead and subscribe. Well, that about wraps it up for this week, folks. I appreciate you tuning in. And if you're still here, thanks a lot for staying with me. Hope you all have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. And get out there and make something. Balls. Fuck. I like it. ASMR. I like it. I like a lot. I like a lot. And I got to tell you, I absolutely love it. On top of the platform, I gave myself a nice sturdy platform. And on top of the platform, on the top, I have a really sturdy platform here. I have a really nice sturdy platform. On top of it, I have a ball joint. Streaming that I want. Now I've got some good idea, motherfucker. Dickless fuck balls. Well, that's about it.